Okay, so we're asked to make t the subject, which means we want t equals, and I'm just going to copy the equation out. So something you notice, well, two things you might notice, is that we've got two t's, so two terms with t in them, and we've got a fraction. So the first thing I'm going to do is break open that fraction. I'm just going to scroll down to give myself enough room and put my lines in. Okay, so might as well extend it all the way to the bottom. So to get rid of that fraction, I'm just going to times both sides by the denominator. Now, because it's an expression, I put it into brackets. So I'm going to times both sides by t minus 5. And you can't really do anything in these kind of questions with that, with a fraction or a bracket lingering around. You kind of just need to get rid of it. So s bracket t minus 5. And that just leaves the numerator there. Now we also want to break open that bracket, so st minus 5s equals 4 minus 13t. Right, next thing we want to do is get all the t's onto the same side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 13t both sides. But I want to get rid of anything on the left hand side that's not a t term, so I'm going to get rid of that 5s. So I'm going to plus 5s both sides. So when I do that, I've got st plus 13t on this side, and I have 4 plus 5s on this side. Now, to get those two t's together and just make it a 1t, all I need to do on the left hand side is factorise it. So I'm going to bring the t out, and it leaves s plus 13, and the right hand side I haven't really done anything with. Okay, then I need to divide both sides by that bracket to get rid of it. So I'm going to divide both sides by s plus 13, and that will leave t equals, and when I divide by an expression I can just write it as a fraction, so 4 plus 5s over s plus 13, and so t equals 4 plus 5s over s plus 13, and either top or bottom can be the other way around, so it could be 5s plus 4 and 13 plus s at the bottom.